Sooner or later, it happens to every single homeowner. Something breaks, and all of a sudden, you need to find a professional you can actually trust to let into your home. Well, today, we're going to build a foolproof checklist to help you spot the absolute best of the best. Let's get right into it. Just picture this for a second. It's late, something goes horribly wrong, and you need help. Like right now. The person you call, they're not just a technician. They're basically an unplanned guest who's holding the safety of your home in their hands. And in that moment, trust is absolutely everything. And that really gets to the heart of the problem, doesn't it? It's this tricky balancing act. You need somebody with the skill to fix the problem, for sure. But you also need to feel confident that they're going to respect your home, your family, and, let's be honest, your wallet. So where do we even begin to look for that trust? Well, the first, and maybe the most solid pillar, is a deep foundation of experience. And I'm not just talking about being in business for a while. I mean proven, time-tested expertise. You know, when you see a number like 25 plus years, that isn't just some marketing fluff. It actually represents tens of thousands of hours diagnosing problems, adapting to new technology. They've pretty much seen it all. And you know what that means for you? They solve problems faster, which often saves you a ton of money on labor. I mean, think about it. Companies just don't survive for decades by accident, right? A long track record is a huge signal of consistent quality. It means they deliver results that last, they put safety first, and they've built a business that people actually come back to year after year. But look, technical skill isn't the whole story. The best professionals, they operate with a kind of moral compass. And that brings us to our second pillar, a core set of values that guides every single decision they make. When you're scanning a company's website or their truck, these are the kinds of phrases you really want to watch for. Family-owned? That's not just a cute detail. It often means their family's name and reputation are on the line, which means more accountability. Community-focused? That tells you they live where you live. They can't hide from a bad reputation. And safety first? Well, that's the ultimate non-negotiable. It proves their priority is your well-being, not just cashing a check. This right here really gets to the core of the difference. Are they transactional, just trying to get in, get the job done, and get out? Or do they actually see you as a neighbor, a relationship they want to build for the long term? A single phrase like, "you're part of our extended family," tells you everything you need to know about their whole approach. Okay, so we've got experience and we've got values. The third pillar is all about tangible proof. It's the evidence of their capabilities. A trustworthy company doesn't just talk a good game, they show you their expertise across a wide range of services. When you see a list like this, it's a huge green flag. It signals a deep, comprehensive understanding of the entire electrical system. They're not just a one-trick pony. They can handle everything from the basics to modern upgrades like EV chargers, which, by the way, tells you they're keeping up with the times. And let's just zoom in on one of these for a second. Whole home surge protection. Okay, this isn't just a simple fix. This is a proactive, preventative measure that protects thousands of dollars worth of your electronics. When a company offers sophisticated solutions like this, it's a really strong sign that they're forward-thinking and truly value-driven. And finally, we get to the ultimate tiebreaker, social proof. What are actual real-life customers saying about them? This is our fourth pillar, the unbiased voice of the community. A company can say whatever it wants about itself, but the reviews, that's where you find the real story. So what does this look like out in the wild? Well, this customer, Michael, highlights words like same day, fast, and prompt. When your power is out and you're in a bind, that is exactly what you need to hear. This isn't just a good review. It's proof that they're reliable when the pressure's really on. Oh, this one is so powerful. Multiple overpriced estimates. Come on, we've all been there, right? This review hits on fairness and affordability. And that phrase, "he legitimately cares," that's the gold right there. It speaks directly to those company values we talked about earlier. They see the customer as way more than just another transaction. And check this last one out. The focus here is on getting the job done right. That phrase, "go out of his way," that's the hallmark of someone who takes genuine pride in what they do. They're not there to just slap a patch on it. They're there to build trust. Okay, we have covered a lot of ground. So let's pull all of this together into a simple, practical tool you can use anytime you need it, your ultimate trust checklist. Here it is, 4 simple steps. First, look for that deep experience. We're talking years, even decades. Second, find their core values. Are they family-owned? Is safety first? Third, check out the range of their services. And finally, listen, really listen to what their customers are saying. If a company checks all 4 of these boxes, you can feel really confident you're making the right call. And that really brings us to the final thought. At the end of the day, hiring Service Pro isn't just about fixing a broken outlet or a leaky pipe. It's about buying back your peace of mind. And when you think about it that way, finding someone you can truly trust, well, that's not just a good decision. It's priceless.